Hi, today I will show you a tutorial to freeze a frame in After Effects. We'll be using this footage as an example. Let's say you want this specific part of the video to be frozen. First, you have to cut this part by pressing Ctrl-Shift-D. Just delete the other part. To freeze this frame, push back one frame before this one and cut it again like before, Ctrl-Shift-D. On that one exact frame, right click on it, use time, and freeze frame. This little square here means the frame is already frozen. You can expand the keyframe as much as you want, and here's the final result. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. See you!